Pure joy in every sip.
The flotation channel effectively separates the dense red areoles, which sink, from the lighter white pith.
Here we see the areoles separated from the slurry, ensuring a final polish before they are sent off for juicing. Ensuring a final polish before they are sent off for juicing. This preventative test ensures the heart of the clarification system is functioning perfectly. System is functioning perfectly. The team quickly disengages the old heads, installs the new set, and runs test bottles. This flexibility is key to a multi-product facility.
The fine powder pours smoothly without any hesitation or clumping. This environmental control is key to handling. This advanced system not only protects the workers on the floor, but also maximizes the yield by trapping fine particles.
When the e-stop is activated, the system immediately isolates power, ensuring the safety of the line before a supervisor can begin the reset procedure.
The automated guided vehicles are the tireless workhorses of this facility. As they dock, their indicators shift from.
This instantaneous verification is a final safeguard against shipping errors.
The robotic gripper arm rotates the pallets, placing them into a perfectly aligned stack, ensuring a constant and organized supply.
The CIP system is now active, sending a high-velocity cleaning solution through the pipes. This ensures total product purity.
This minor flow is juxtaposed with the powerful, unseen flow of juice. It is a small, vital system. This advanced oxidation process is a key to sustainable water reuse.
Harvested at peak ripeness, our pomegranate juice is now ready for you to enjoy. Harvested at peak ripeness, our pomegranate juice is now ready for you to enjoy.
Experience the taste of pure vitality.